Well, folks, it's crazy to think that it's already that time again, but with the planting of our first seeds, the 2019 growing season has officially begun. So I wanted to show what we're using to start our seeds indoors. If you're a beginning gardener and you're worried that it's going to cost a lot of money to do that, it really isn't. I can show you all the things that we got. For this video, I'll just be talking about the equipment that we're using. For my next video, I'm planning to show more of the germination process and show what kind of soil mix we use. So when I get that done, you should be able to see it up here. So yeah, again, this is just a cheap coffee table we found at a thrift shop. And I've got this nice warming mat here. My wife found this at a consignment store for pretty cheap. You can get them new, about this size, online for 10 to 15 bucks. And that's great for warming up the soil, because the two important things for starting the seeds are having that warmth and moisture. And so that really helps for that. It just warms it up it says like 10 to 20 degrees. And of course the seed trays, you can get those all over the place. They're all different sizes. So then for the light, this is just a standard shop light. You can get these for about 20 bucks brand new. This was actually in our garage when we bought the house, and I didn't need it out there. I set up some other lighting, so I brought this in to use for this. The two bulbs, you can use that to get a wider spectrum of light. You can put two different color temperature bulbs in there. So I did something close to daylight, about 5500 K for one bulb, and then a warmer, about 3000 K soft white bulb. And that's good for giving the plants just a wider range of light. And then to hang all this, it's good to have something that's adjustable. As the seedlings get taller, you want the light to stay about 3 to 4 inches above them. And you don't want them to get too close to the light, because the bulbs do give off a little bit of warmth. If they get too close, it can damage the leaves, and at this stage that could mean killing the seedlings. And so I got a chain, I believe is about 20 to 25 feet, and a couple of hooks, and attach that into the ceiling so that as the seedlings get taller, you can just raise it up on the links, and it's very easy to do it that way. So we set these up in our third bedroom. Please excuse the peeling paint back there. You probably didn't even notice it until I'm pointing it out right now, which is fantastic. But we're doing some renovation around the house, so ignore that. I know it looks gross. But we did it in here because we wanted a way to close them off from the rest of the house. If you have pets, be mindful of that. Our cats definitely love to come along and dig these out of here, especially that guy. He gets into everything. Yeah, it's kind of hard to stay mad at him though. Otherwise, we could have set them up in the basement, but it's a little too chilly down there for them. That's not good for the little seedlings. So that's it, basic setup. I'd say it's about $50 for all of this, and of course we can keep using this for several years to come. May upgrade eventually, but you know, we'll see. It's working just fine for now. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And you could subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.